In this video, I'm going to be giving you my System.io review. So System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that's been gaining a lot of attention recently, especially among entrepreneurs, coaches, and online business owners. Instead of paying for separate tools like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, or Teachable, System.io combines everything into one dashboard. You can build landing pages, set up email marketing campaigns, manage sale funnels, host online courses, run affiliate programs, and even sell physical or digital products. The drag and drop page builder is straightforward and you don't need to be tech savvy to get started. One of the strongest points is affordability. Compared to similar platforms, System.io is much more budget friendly while still offering robust features. The free plan is generous, letting you test out the platform before committing. On the plus side, it's reliable, beginner friendly, and really cuts down the hassle of managing multiple tools. On the downside, customization is a bit limited compared to higher end platforms, and the design options aren't as flashy. But for most small businesses and solopreneurs, it strikes the perfect balance between simplicity and functionality. So overall, System.io is a fantastic solution if you want to launch and grow an online business without drowning in software subscriptions.